Hello, how are you? What do you want to do when you grow up? Ever thought of highway engineering? Why? Why are you not interested? Does it sound boring? Do you know Malaysia, a developing country, require a lot of highway engineers to build the road necessary? Don't you want to see your work everywhere on the streets? It is very rewarding, and most definitely you'll get a lot of income. Are you now interested in becoming a highway engineer? If you are interested, this video will be perfect for you. To become a highway engineer, you want to build roads like this or this. You don't want to have your roads be something like. To do that, we must learn the basics of highway making. First of all, there are many types of road. The most basic is the dirt road, and then the gravel road, surface racing, flexible road, pavement. This is the type of road we usually see on the road here in Malaysia. Rigid road pavement, which is the concrete road. Semi-rigid road pavement, where you can usually see in the bus stops or parking lots. But for our purpose, we would like to focus on the flexible road pavement because it is the most abundant in Malaysia. Basically, the bituminous road consists of 3 layers constructed above formation level, which is the subgrade surface. The subgrade, it could be a part of embankment or natural solid considered to be the layer thick. This is a sort of like a platform for materials above it to be constructed. After that, it is the subbase. This is the layer just above the subgrade. It serves as a separated layer that is to prevent subgrade material to mix with road-based materials. We don't want that to happen now, do we? It also protects the subgrade layer. Normally, the material used for subbase is laterite, crushed aggregate, size 70 meter mm2 dust, CBR which is 30% more. Road base is the layer just above the subbase. It protects the underneath layers from the traffic load on top. The subbase should be laid as soon as possible after final stripping to formation level to prevent damage from rain or sunbaking, which could cause surface cracks. The fact that this is required when roads are constructed emphasizes the importance of backfilling excavations quickly and properly and preventing ingress of moisture when roads have been excavated for utility works. The most commonly used material for use in subbase is therm type 1. This is an unbound material made from crushed rock, crushed slag, crushed concrete, recycled aggregates or well-burned non-plastic shell. It contains particles of various sizes, the percentage of each size being within a defined range. Up to 10% may be natural sand. The predefined and calculated range of material sizes contained means that once compacted, it will resist further movement within its structure. In other words, it tends not to sink with time, though it will sink if not compacted properly when laid. Other materials used for the construction of subbase include bituminous bound materials and concrete and cement bound materials including wet lean concrete. Various other materials are less commonly used. All materials on arrival from the plant must be protected from the weather, as drying or wetting changes the composition. They must be spread evenly. They are laid in layers of 110 mm to 225 mm compacted thickness. The thickness of the layers being gauged by various means including pegs and lines, side rails and a guide wire. In initial, build and reinstatement, the thickness of the layers depends on the compaction plan being used. Bituminous based materials are either dense based macadam or rolled asphalt. Various concrete and cement bound materials are used, the specifications for this being different to those applying for sub-base material. Surface layer. The surface layer consists of two layers, the minor crust and the wearing crust. Minor crust is the one at the bottom. It distributes load to the road base. Second one is the wearing crust, is the one on top of it. It protects the underneath layers and provides a skid-resistant surface. Both layers is constructed with asphaltic concrete or hot mix asphalt (HMA). What is that, you ask? HMA consists of aggregate, bitumen, and filler. All materials must pass the requirement for aggregate, bitumen, and mixture. Bituminous mix or hot mix asphalt HMA consists of aggregate. Aggregate is a collective term for sand, gravel, and crushed stone mineral material. Second, bitumen, also known as asphalt, is a dark brown to black, highly viscous hydrocarbon produced from petroleum distillation residue. The bitumen can occur naturally, resulting in asphalt lakes, or occur in a petroleum refinery using crude oil. It functions like a glue for the aggregates. Third, filler. It fills the voids between the aggregate, helps defining the binder, produce stronger and stiffer mix, could last longer. The aggregates being used to construct the roads must pass a few property qualities, which are strength, durability, shape and surface, affinity, relative density, resistance to wear, and lastly gradations. The bitumen being used also need to have certain properties to be selected for road making. These properties are durability, rheology, safety, and purity. After this video, you should be able to become highway engineer, and good luck!